Welcome back to Auto Legends, where we bring you the most extreme, rare, and iconic machines from around the world. Today, we're diving into a true behemoth of off-road exploration, the 2026 Action Mobil Global XRS 7200 6x6. This is not your ordinary RV, not even your ordinary expedition vehicle. It's a rolling fortress, designed to conquer the harshest terrains on Earth while providing luxury that rivals five-star hotels. Let's take a closer look at what makes this monster stand apart. First, let's talk about the exterior, because that's where the XRS 7200 immediately commands respect. The vehicle stretches over 12 meters in length, with a stance that screams power and authority. It rides on a six-wheel drive platform, and the sheer size is enough to make even heavy-duty trucks look small in comparison. The all-terrain tires are massive, purpose-built to handle deserts, rocky mountains, snow, and muddy wilderness with ease. The angular design of the body isn't just about looks. It's been engineered for strength, durability, and efficiency. You'll notice the armored-like panels, the sharp lines, and a stance that makes you feel like you're staring at an expedition-ready military vehicle rather than a civilian overlander. The front fascia carries an aggressive look, with a commanding grille and a wide bumper that integrates recovery hooks and lighting. Speaking of lighting, the 2026 model is equipped with an advanced LED matrix system, ensuring you have perfect visibility no matter how remote your adventure takes you. Roof-mounted auxiliary lights add to that commanding presence while also serving a functional purpose for night expeditions. Moving along the sides, the large windows hint at the comfort inside while still being reinforced for rugged durability. At the rear, you've got space for additional gear, spare tires, and even an integrated platform for bikes or smaller vehicles. Every inch of the Global XRS 7200 screams expedition dominance. Stepping inside, you quickly realize that this isn't just about brute force and capability, it's about living in comfort while you're out there exploring untouched lands. The interior is designed more like a high-end apartment than a motorhome. You'll find a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, a spacious dining area, and a luxurious bedroom setup with ample storage. The living space is complemented by premium materials. Think leather upholstery, hardwood finishes, and soft-touch surfaces. The design team clearly prioritized comfort and functionality, ensuring you could live here full-time if you wanted. Technology is another strong point. The cockpit is modern and digital, giving the driver full control over the vehicle's systems, from navigation to suspension settings. Even with its massive size, the interior feels intuitive and driver-focused. For passengers, smart climate control, entertainment systems, and clever use of space make long journeys surprisingly relaxing. But of course, a machine like the Action Mobil Global XRS 7200 is defined by its performance. Under the hood, the 2026 model continues with a powerhouse engine, an advanced turbo-diesel V8 tuned to produce immense torque, perfect for pulling this six-wheeled beast through just about anything. Paired with a heavy-duty transmission, the drivetrain sends power to all six wheels with selectable drive modes to suit every type of terrain. The suspension system is fully adaptive, allowing for impressive ground clearance and stability even on extreme surfaces. Off-road, the XRS 7200 is virtually unstoppable. Whether you're tackling dunes, deep snow, or rocky passes, it keeps moving forward with relentless grip and confidence. The fuel capacity is enormous, giving you the range to explore regions far away from civilization. Combined with solar power integration and water purification systems, this vehicle isn't just a camper, it's a self-sufficient survival unit built for weeks or months of off-grid living. What's incredible about the 2026 Action Mobil Global XRS 7200 is that it blends raw, mechanical dominance with refined living comfort. You don't have to compromise between exploration and lifestyle. You get both, wrapped in one of the most unique vehicles on the planet. This is the ultimate definition of go-anywhere luxury. A machine designed for those who aren't just looking for a vacation, but are chasing true adventure at the ends of the earth. The Global XRS 7200 doesn't just take you there. It makes sure you arrive in style, power, and comfort. That's our look at the 2026 Action Mobil Global XRS 7200 6x6. If you enjoyed this review and want more deep dives into legendary vehicles from around the globe, make sure to subscribe to Auto Legends and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.